manicure, maintenance, beauty English. Vocabulary: maintenance, smudge, scratch, application, shrink, chip. Maintaining your manicure. Contents: getting your nails done is always a treat, but do you know how to make your manicure last? Follow these simple tips to maintain beautiful nails. Pay the nail technician before he or she starts. That way, you don't have to worry about digging around for the money later and accidentally smudging or scratching your new manicure. During the manicure, make sure the nail technician allows each coat of enamel to dry completely between applications. This prevents the paint from shrinking then peeling off later. Apply a clear top coat to your nails daily in order to protect the enamel from chipping off. Be sure to apply the top coat to the edges of the nails in order to create a protective seal. Use a hand cream every day to keep your hands soft. This helps your manicure to stay looking great by preventing dry and cracked cuticles. Chunju Vision College, Beauty Art, EasYoung Professor.